The release time, on the other hand, can be heard in the length of the resonance. As I mentioned earlier, longer release time holds the later part of the drum hit at a lower level, shortening the sound. Shorter release time lets go of the compression, allowing the level to return to normal, and the note will sound a bit more sustained. And here it's pretty obvious, just looking at the gain reduction meter, that when the release time is very slow and it's a very long release, the meter never returns to zero. It's always compressing. When I bring it up, I can almost listen to the rhythm that the person is playing if I want it to come all the way up by the time the next hit occurs. Listen.